Where'd you go?
I'm washing the shit off my hands. There's eggshells and spinach.
Oh, is that when you made breakfast this morning?
No, that was from yesterday.
Max, are you checking this out, Max? Do you want a cookie? You want a treat? See ya. Sit. You want a cookie? See ya. Cookie? Yeah. Come on. What?
This one, we don't need to install a new one. I would do this, save this when you get a new sink, because that's unplugging this,
Why?
cleaning that all out. You know, because you have to seal it, you have to do all this shit. It's already in
Alright,
there.
I'm okay.
Okay, so what we need to do is...
Lazy ass fucker, that's why I hire plumbers. Go ahead.
Really? I do it for free.
Yeah.
I don't even expect sexual frequency.
Wow.
Okay, look. So you don't have a hardwire box. What are you doing?
Alright, I want to be serious now. Are you serious, Max? You never got your treat, did you? Look, he's serious. He's
You already
pissed.
got two.
Ah. Here you go. Sit. Say please. Just kidding. Go ahead. Love you.
Like us 'cause we're sweet.